So far, so good, man. So far, so good. A little sleepy or something. I don't know. I didn't sleep well last night. I feel a little bit sleepy, to be honest. Came through for a little while. Wanted to stream a little bit. Really not sure about taking any positions as of right now, to be honest. But I wanted to come through and say good morning and all that. You do know that Charles Schwab is actually changing everything in the next couple of months, right? So the platform's still going to be um morning, Sean. So Charles Schwab is going to be running through Thinkorswim, if I'm not mistaken, over the next few months. So even if you decide that you wanted to do that and switch up, you're gonna fall into Thinkorswim is gonna be through Charles Schwab regardless. But that's something to look into, really. PVG on watch. XERS on watch. Again, I just wanted to come through, say hi, and be around for a little while. I'm not sure if I'm going to be sending any orders out today, any positions, nothing like that. I didn't sleep too well last night. I feel really, really sleepy and tired. And this is a mental thing. So, I'm not too comfortable risking my account. So I'm trying to, just be here with you guys a little bit, share my ideas, see what's going on in the market. If there is something that looks like a decent opportunity, well, then I'll take it. But honestly, I don't feel too comfortable risking my account. Thank you, Sean. I appreciate that. How you guys do yesterday? Watching PVG though, out of the gates. PVG. Looking at PVG under the view app. Topping candle. Topping candle because it has a long wick on the top. We're about to be live. Please let me know if the audio is good. And I hope you guys are doing okay. Alright, we're live. Alright, so let me know now and see if it's better here. Watching Twitter though. Twitter ramping up this morning. I have no idea what the news are here. Really? Yeah, I was listening to Bloomberg News this morning in regards to Lyft. They losing a bunch of money, and they saying they're gonna be profitable probably by the end of next year. Let me just hold up. Give me a second. Let me switch off this mic. See if I can make it work better. Wow, look at Lyft going down hard, very hard. People are punishing them for what they just. Okay, let's see if the. Okay. Alright, so let me know if the mic is better now, because I unplugged it and plugged it back in. I'm watching PVG on the 5. Watching PVG on the 5. PVG. Those are the stocks that I have on watch this morning. I just posted there. See Tesla ramping up. I don't know how far that's gonna go. COLL. EGAN from the watch list that I built up on the daily. EGAN. I missed DAO yesterday. Exactly what I was saying the other day. I was actually expecting that nice rollover on that trade. I wasn't able to, be around yesterday. Everything went well in that meeting. So decent rejection with that doji. Right on top of the 100 simple moving average on the 1 minute on PVG. Right here, this is the one that I actually like. Been watching this one since the pre-market hours. Expecting a follow-through move to the downside. Huge gap down. XERS. I also like that one for a short. Possible rejection on the 100 simple moving average on the 1. PVG is still coming down. Top in the 50 on the 1. 750 support. 745 on the 50. 745 on the 50. Shooting star on the 1. Expecting follow through to the downside here. In the 100, the view app, 763, 762. Probably gonna be a little bit of resistance right here. Holy smoke. See, that's not a good thing. That's actually not a good thing. We have a topping candle on the 5. Topping candle on the 5. Really choppy. This range is really choppy. I really don't think that the 50 is actually going to hold, but that's not a good thing. That whipsaw there, it's not good. It's not good at all. Topping candle, shooting star formation on the 5. Big whipsaw. Tesla running higher. XERS actually pulling back here. Yeah, huge whipsaw. DAO getting a little bit of support today after that big plunge yesterday. up $2.40 today. I really don't think that this thing is actually going to, well, you know, ramp up all the way up. But again, I was expecting a rollover that worked out yesterday. I wasn't around, but today seems like it's getting a little bit of support. We got GLUU ramping up to the $7 mark. GLUU. Getting a little bit of consolidation on PVG. That's a nice trend line right there for that resistance. See if we can break under this. Let's just whipsaw there. A lot of whipsaw. I don't like that candle a lot. Well, that's a topping candle on the 5. See if we can come down here. You can get under the 50. XERS. It was a nice rejection of 100. Tapping the view app. Setting up for follow through move under the view app. DAO coming down now. DAO. Yeah, I didn't really think that this thing was going to hold. It's a ramp up. 701. GLUU 701. For those of you still watching the watch list, remember COLL. COLL. We've been talking about COLL for the last few days, so keep an eye on that. Kind of slow mover, but it's been moving. Today, moving higher. COLL. PVG. Taking a little bit of time. It's trading in between the 50 and the 100. Right under the view app. I really think this thing is gonna come right back down to the 50, follow through under the 50, and just plunge. Got a topping candle, shooting star on the 5, about to be a doji. This thing is actually gonna come down, follow through under the view app. Gotta say, I wasn't really expecting that one candle to shoot up like that on top of the view app, but you can see it didn't hold. Shooting star on the 5. Just whipsaw. Just total whipsaw on this thing. I don't like that formation. What happened here? AIM printing a bull flag on the 5. AIM bull flag on the 5. COLL going towards $24. COLL going towards $24. ADVM ramping up. ADVM. Yeah, PVG. Yeah, yeah. This is just whipsaw. Too choppy. This thing is not really working out. This is a gold stock, gold sector, really. Precious metals. The market is not up by a lot today, so most definitely gold is really not going to be. But it's regardless of that, this is an individual stock. It has nothing to do with the price of gold. But it's a gold in the gold sector, really. So, but this is just whipsaw though. This is I don't like this type of stuff. Oh my God, Tesla's just dropping like crazy. BBY as well. Yeah, yeah, I don't. Yeah, today is not a day for me to be joking around with this thing. I already took a little hit here on PVG, trying to. I tried to send an order. I was actually expecting a little bit of follow through. Didn't work out too well for me there. What in the world? Yeah, I can see another stock moving on the basic material sector. Pretty much the same name as PVG, same sectors, kind of ramping up here. Stock CC. So, it's in the same sector. Probably PVG is probably going to do the same thing. I already took a little hit here this morning on PVG. Looking for that follow through move to the downside under the 50. That first red candle with a nice rejection under the view up in the 100 simple moving average. I really thought I was going to have that follow through under the 50. Right now, there's just a lot of whipsaw. There's this range here, trading on the range. So I really don't like that. Uh, I already knew that my head was not really in place today to be placing stuff, but I really thought we were gonna have some follow through. So again, just an advice here: when you don't feel too comfy, and I knew this, don't rather just take a step back. This is the reason why I told you guys since the beginning of the day, and I'm really not sure about taking any trades here this morning because I don't really feel like my head is around there. And when you can't, focus properly, can't really execute. I didn't sleep well last night, I have to say. And I'm a little bit sleepy, I don't know. To be honest with you, I'm just here because I wanted to come through and say good morning to you guys and hang around with you guys for a couple of minutes. But firsthand, I knew that I was not going to be around here for too long. Because I really don't feel too well today in regards to kind of like my head is really not into the market this morning. This could be a good reversal trade here for the retest of the 50 simple moving average based on 1 minute and shooting star formation on the 5. But I'm not, honestly, I don't feel too comfortable. I don't want to take that trade. I really do think this could be a pretty decent reversal under the low of that prior 1 minute candle right here, the green one, 775. But if you take the low of this one here, it's probably the entry. The low of 780, followed through, has to come through 775. A retest of the VWAP, a little bit of support around that area, then come down all the way down to 150. The stochastic is showing the reversal on that momentum, and we have a topping candle on the 5. I really think that this could work out, but again, I'm not too comfortable. My head is really not in place. There you go. That was a follow through. The breakdown of that long 1 minute candle on the green side. Got a possible test now in the next few minutes of that VWAP. Probably a little support around the VWAP, followed through towards the 50. Tesla is trading on the range. Had a breakout out of the gates today, but it just came down for a reversal. Now taking all of the gains out on those couple of first candles out of the gate today. Still up $3.31, so about 50%. I mean 0.50%, half 1%. Guys, I'm not feeling too well right now, to be honest. I'm going to take a step back. I'm gonna try to take a little nap, sleep it off, and I'm gonna make a little video here later to talk about why I feel like this trade was decent for me and why it didn't work out for me. So I appreciate all of you guys being here. I just wanted to say good morning, be here with you for a couple of minutes. For now, I'm gonna let you guys go because I don't feel too well. So you guys take care. I'll see you guys later. Okay, enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and happy trading. Take care. I'll see you guys later.